Beloved aficionados and multi talented youth of the future, motivation gets you going, but discipline keeps you growing, says John C. Maxwell. Accomplishments without work of few, and they become non existent. Let's ask ourselves, when we have felt the sense of pride, the sense of achievement, and the satisfaction of a job well done. I know the only true answer is when we have done the task ourselves. Self discipline or self control means taking possession of your own mind. There was a boy who walked into a drugstore one fine day and sought permission to use the telephone and dialed a number and said, "Hello, Dr. Sam. Do you want to hire a boy to cut your grass and run errands for you?" After a pause, he said, "Oh, you already have a boy. Are you completely satisfied with the job he is doing?" Then the boy bade goodbye to the doctor and thanked the druggist, and when he was about to leave, the druggist asked him if he was looking for a job and said he could employ him. The boy replied that he was already working for Dr. Sam and was just checking upon himself. When we check on ourselves, there is no need for others to do so. So, my dear friends, self-discipline is one of the greatest of all essentials for success. One who masters himself can master anything or anyone else. Let's conquer ourselves to conquer the world. Conquering ourselves, let's leave a legacy which aspires to inspire. Wishing abundance of success and a bright future to the multi-talented youth, it's me, Mary Rani, signing off. Thank you.